everybody. So we're going to check out this submersible battery powered water pump today. This is going to be pretty cool. You can use it for clean water. You can go ahead and drop it in. It has a great max height too here of 6 feet, 6 feet of water, and then it's actually going to be able to pump up almost 66 feet, so 65.6. And then you're going to be able to use it for a sprinkler, or you can actually use the attachment connected on it, which is going to be the spray pump to water plants or whatever you want to use it for. So this is how you turn this on. It's going to show you the battery life, and then you also have the timer function where you could do 5, 10, or 15 minutes. So you can see the battery's low here, and then that's how you change the timer function.